Students, today we start with the chapter number 11, linear equations. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of equation. Equation means when two expressions in one or more variable they are connected by the equal to sign. And here we can take the examples. X plus 5 equal to 1. It is an equation because two expression x plus 5 and 1 they are related with equal to sign. Similarly, x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is an equation. Here only one variable is used. So first and second they are example of equation in one variable. In second and third and fourth we use two variables x and y. Third is an equation x plus y equal to 5. Fourth is an equation x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 0. So these two are equations in two variables. The expression which is written on the left hand side of equal to sign is called left hand side, and that on the right side of the equal sign is called right hand side of the equation. If we consider example 2x plus 7 equal to x over 3 plus 1. So here left hand side is 2x plus 7 and right hand side is x over 3 plus 1. So if one variable is used, it is called equation in one variable, and if two variables are used, it is called equation in two variables. Now we will learn the meaning of linear equation. Linear equation means when the highest power of the variables involved in the equation is 1. Means when the expressions which is having variable x or y, the power of x or y is 1, the highest power is 1, then it is called linear equation. For example, if we consider x plus 5 equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 5, these are examples of linear equations. Why? Because the power of x in first equation is 1 and the power of x and y in second equation is also 1. So therefore these two are linear equation. Next thing is solution of an equation. Solution means any value of variable which make left hand side and right hand side of the equation same. That means if we substitute any value of the variable x in the equation, it makes both sides of the equation equal. For this we can consider one example. If we consider the equation 2x plus 3 equal to 9. First of all, it is an equation because here two expression 2x plus 3 and 9 they are connected by equal to sign. Now if we put x equal to 3 in the equation, what will happen? At the place of x we substitute 3. So it become 2 into 3 plus 3 equals to 9. Now 2 into 3 is x. So it becomes 6 plus 3 equal to 9 and 6 plus 3 it is 9. So 9 equal to 9. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. And we can say x equal to 3 satisfies the equation 2x plus 3 equal to 9. Therefore x equal to 3 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3 equals to 9. In order to solve any equation means to find the value of x. Now we will learn the methods of solving linear equations in one variable. There are various methods of solving linear equations in one variable. So first of all, we will take the method of simultaneous operation on both sides of an equation. In order to solve any linear equation in one variable by using the method of simultaneous operation on both sides of an equation, we will use the following rules. First is, if we add any number to the left hand side, then we should add the same number on right hand side. If we subtract a number from left hand side, then we should subtract the same number from right hand side also. Similarly, if we multiply any number to the left hand side of equation, then we multiply the same number to the right hand side also. And similarly, if we divide the left hand side by any number, then we should divide the right hand side also by the same number. It means whatever operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division that we do on left hand side, the same operation we have to apply on the right hand side also. By applying these rules, we can solve any linear equation in one variable. Whenever we have to solve any linear equation in one variable using this method, what we have to do, we will operate the operations according to the given equations so that we obtain x in left hand side and whatever value we have in right hand side. By applying these equations, the suitable operations according to the equation, that is called the solution of the given equation or the value of the variable. So this is the method of simultaneous operation on both sides of an equation for solving linear equations in one variable. We can also check or verify the answer obtained after solving the equation, that is, we can check the solution. The method of verification of the solution is by substituting the value of the solution in the given equation at the place of variable. And if the answer of left hand side and right hand side, they are same, then the solution is verified. That means if left hand side equal to right hand side, then solution is verified and we can say solution is correct. Now we will take a few questions from exercise 11.1. Now first of all, question number 1. In question number 1, he said form new equations by carrying out the action given in bracket on both sides of the equation. It means he has given one operation that has to be applied on the equation which is given in the bracket. Now consider first part of this question. Given equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. And the action we have to operate is multiply this equation by 2. So first of all, we will write the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. Then multiply by 2 both sides. When we multiply both sides of the equation by 2, what we will get? On left hand side, we will open the bracket. 2 multiplied with 2x and 2 multiplied with 3 using distributive property of multiplication over addition, and on right hand side 2 into 13 is equal to 26. Now 2 into 2x is 4x and 2 into 3 is 6. So final answer will be 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. So therefore, after multiplying the given equation by 2, the final answer will be 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. In the same way, we can solve the other parts of this question. Second part, third part is given here, and we can solve the rest of parts. Now we will understand how to find the solution and how to check the solution. For this, we will consider question number 2. In question number 2, the statement is solve each of the following equation and check your solution by substituting its value in the equation. So here we are taking its first part. First part is 6 is equal to 3 into a minus 3. So first of all, we will write this equation and give it as equation number 1. And there is a point which we have to note, that the variable whose value is to be find out is always written in left hand side. So we will rewrite this equation as, we will shift right hand side to the left hand side and left hand side to the right hand side, and this equation will become 3 into a minus 3 is equal to 6. So now our purpose is to apply the various operation and to isolate a on the left hand side. Means a we have to make independent of every number. So for this, first of all, we will divide the given equation by 3 both sides. So after division with 3, left hand side 3 and 3 cancel, and on right hand side 6 over 3 become 2. So after dividing by 3, the equation become a minus 3 is equal to 2. Then we will add 3 on the both of sides so that the 3 get cancelled from left hand side. So after adding 3, it becomes a minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3, because we have to add 3 on the both sides. Minus 3 plus 3 on left hand side, they get cancelled, and 2 plus 3 on right hand side become 5. So the final answer is a equal to 5. So we can say a equal to 5 is the solution of given equation. So what is the solution? E is equal to 5. The final value of E is called the solution. Now we have to check this solution. As we already discussed the method of checking. In method of checking, what we will do? We will put the value of answer in the given equation, in the original equation. So we will put E equal to 5 in the original equation, that is the equation which we have marked equation number 1. So by putting the value of E equal to 5 in equation number 1, what we will get? 6 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 3. At the place of A, we substitute 5. Right hand side become 5 minus 3, that is 2, 3 into 2. So we will get 6 equal to 6. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, we can say the value E equal to 5 satisfies the original equation. So therefore, our solution is verified and hence checked. So in this way, we can check the solution. Similarly, we can find the solutions of the other parts and check the answer in the same way. So by applying the method of simultaneous operation on both sides of the equation, we are able to find the solutions of various equations.